Hey guys, this is SJ back at you with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to code in C#, and I'm just going to be showing you guys pretty much the basics of the language of C#. And with that said, let's just get started. So before we even start here, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to start a new file in Visual Studios, or you can use whatever text editor you want to use. Doesn't matter, doesn't have to be Visual Studios, but I'm using Visual Studios. If you want to use Visual Studios and you do not have it, I will put a link in the description so you can download it, and then once that's finished, you can follow the video. There is a full version which I'm using, and there is a light version which is very minimalistic, toned down version of Visual Studios, and you can use that one. I'll also link that one in the description. But with that being said, let's get started. So what we're going to want to do, you're going to type console.writeLine, and you're going to put parentheses, quotation marks, and you're going to want to put hi, just simple hi, and put the semicolon, and let's start the program. Let's just see what happens. Well, it exited abruptly. We couldn't even see what was going on. So to fix that, basically we're going to type console.readline parentheses semicolon. Now let me explain how this works. So console.writeLine, this basically just writes text which is inside of these parentheses. Whatever's in these parentheses will be written out into text onto the screen, the black screen that you just seen earlier, just a few moments ago. And what is ever inside of these parentheses, which will be inside of that black screen. And this console.readline, this right here, you can basically, it means that the program will not exit until the user has pressed enter. Now if we didn't have this, it would just exit abruptly like you just seen a few moments ago. And now with this in here, now it won't exit abruptly. Now let's press start, run the program, and as you can see, it says hi, it's there. And now let's press enter, and now exited the program. Now the next part we're going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to type multi-line comments, well not comments, but multi-line parts of code. Well, inside like things inside of this. Now what you're going to do, you're going to type that. Before you put that plus, you're going to put the / and n. That means new line. And now once we do that, we're going to go down here. We're going to press tab a couple times, and we're going to put the parentheses again. And we're going to type hi, my name, parentheses again, not parentheses but quotation. Make sure you put that new line, and then you're going to put that right there, and then just keep doing the same thing. My name is John. / n means new line. Make sure it's inside of the quotation marks. Make sure you put that plus. That means it's going on to the next line. Now we're going to put the quotations again. What is, make sure you put the plus, yours. Now there's no need for the new line again. So, but after that's done, go ahead and finish that. And now, as you can see, that's working. Now let's go ahead and press start, and let's see how it goes. And as you can see, it wrote all the lines down exactly how we have it here. And yeah, there you go. Now that right there, that's how you do the multi-line things. Now, if you want to put like comments, not basically comments, comments are basically used for to show people where something is, or to show you where a part of code is if you're looking for something. Like if you're looking for a part of code that's particularly a problem, and you'll put a comment saying, oh, here is this part of code. And the way you would do that, you would put /, and you would do that by, let's go ahead and exit out this, and let's go ahead and do this. We would go like this, and we do /, and this is a comment. That's pretty much it. That's the comment. Now if you want to do a multi-line comment, you'll put / space, and then you will close it with another /, and that's pretty much it. It's multi-line comments, and that's how that works. Now the next part is, now we're going to go on to if statements. Now if statements are really useful. If statements are so useful, it's pretty much used in everything that's used today. So basically what you would do is that you would type in something like first you would ask a question like console dot writeline parentheses quotation marks, what is your name? And now we will put string name is equal to console dot readline, and we don't want to put the quotations in there. We're going to put the semicolon, and now we're going to put if name is equal to, we're just going to put that, put the quotations, we're going to do this. Now we're going to put console dot writeline, we're going to put hi, and we're going to put plus name, and we're going to do this again, my name is SJ, and we're going to go like that. Make sure we got to put an else statement. Now this else statements are for if something goes wrong in the code and it doesn't execute properly, it just goes straight to the else. And what it does, it basically means that if something goes wrong, you don't have to worry about anything, and will not worry about anything. It basically just if something doesn't go right in the if statement, then it'll execute the else statement, and that's what's gonna happen. So we're gonna put else, gonna put the brackets, and we're gonna put else console dot clear, and we're gonna put the parentheses and put that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and execute the program. We're gonna put start. What is your name? So I'm gonna put my name is SJ. Oh no, looks like we got an error somewhere. Let's put console dot readline, and let's go ahead and do this. And instead of putting writeline here, we're going to put write. Let's see if that helps out. My name is, I've ran into a brick, guys. 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I found out what the problem was. I was using the if statements completely incorrectly. We're gonna go into the if statements a little bit later into the video, but what you're supposed to do is just like console dot writeline or write, whichever one best fits you. Hi. Same thing that we did. It's just that we were not using the operators correctly. I can type is correctly. Alright there, console dot readline. We don't need double readline. We already have that. We already have one readline. Alright, now let's go ahead and hit start. What is your name? So I'm going to type John. Hi John, my name is SJ. And so basically, let me show you guys how this actually works. Okay, so I don't want to decrease that. So how this works, basically, this right here, this line of code, this string, you're declaring the string name or the object name to console.writeline, which means that whatever is typed is going to be outputted to where name is. So whatever name is, so the string name is automatically going to be whatever you type. So if I typed something like crazy, like if I typed something like what is your name? My name is Absurd. Hi Absurd, my name is SJ. That's pretty much the same thing. Whatever's typed there is going to be what's going to be outputted to the screen. Now, if you want to use this in like questions and stuff, you can use the same thing. If you want to ask like questions inside of the program, just ask random questions. It doesn't matter what it is. You can use whatever you want in it. So let's go on to if statements, and this time use it correctly. So if I type if, well, before we do that, we're going to type console dot writeLine, and we're going to type something like pick a number. Console dot writeLine. Let's just put write. We put pick a number, so we put 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Now, if we do if, now before we do that, we're going to declare a string. So we type in string num is equal to console dot readline. We're going to put not the asterisk. We're going to put that there. And now we're going to declare the if statement. Now we're going to put num, if num is equal to
1, then we're going to execute something like console.writeLine or write, you won a new car. Else if, or if else. And we're going to put the, I keep forgetting that, I remember that it's else if. And we're going to put the parentheses. If num is equal to 2, I'm going to put console.write, you won a new house. And let's go ahead and do the next one. Else if num is equal to 3, brackets, console.write, you won a, oh, before we do that, we got to make sure we type the quotation marks and type in you won a new pair of shoes. Put the semicolon, and now else if num is equal to 4, going to put that, console.write, going to put this, and we're going to type in you won a flight to New York, and we're going to put the semicolon, and else, well, before we put else, we're going to put else if console.write, you won nothing. And so let's do this. Else console.clear, console.readline, and we're going to put that. Now we're going to save it.
You can do that by pressing Control S and hit start. Now it says pick a number, 1, 2, 3, or 5. Let's go ahead and hit 4. You want a flight to New York. And that's pretty much how all of this works out. And you can use this whatever you guys can go ahead and, if you want to use this how I did it, you can go ahead and do the same thing. So let's see something. If we press something other than the number, we press 8, it doesn't do anything. It just clears the console and it makes you press enter a bunch of times. So now that's pretty much it, guys, for the video. If you guys liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. If you want more of the coding lessons, please comment down below. Your comments mean the most to this channel, and it helps me to figure out what kind of content you guys want. But with that being said, love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.